Hello there, K Plus users. This is Annalisa. I am your fairy squad mother for the Inside Real Estate Success Strategies group, and I'm going to speak with you about the Conversion Plus admin dashboard and the Conversion Plus agent/lender dashboard, because basically they have the same layout. So I want to show you how to access training articles as well as training tutorials and classes. So the first thing we're going to do on the agent/lender dashboard is we're going to go down this left-hand side of the dash, and you're going to see a little question mark here for support portal and a little cap where it says learning portal. When you click on the support portal, a new tab will open up, and this is where you're going to find all of our written documentation and written instruction on how to complete different types of tools and setup processes. Now, while you're here, if you're like, hey, I really want to find out about hashtags, of course, you can scroll down and click hashtags here, or you can look at this help article drop down, or you can pop up to the top, put in a keyword, and the system will be like, all right, well, do you want to learn how to create one? Do you want to learn about listing alerts, or do you want to look at everything hashtags? So it will bring everything together for you, or you can just click on a single article and open that up. Now, this is also available on the admin dashboard. When you hover over training here at the top right and just click training, it will open up the support portal via the admin dashboard. Now, let's talk a moment to the learning portal. So the learning portal holds all sorts of tutorials that are self-paced classes of which you can complete, take them again, take refresher courses, and we're constantly adding content to this as well. Via the admin dashboard, you can access by hovering over training and clicking learning portal. And you can see it took me immediately to the K Plus admin quick start. And I've already taken the course, so it's saying, hey, you can replay the course if you want to. Now, if you look to the upper right, it actually pre-logged me in via my admin sign-in. So it's a single sign-in, which is really great. So if you go into your profile up here, like in my account, you can add a profile picture, but don't change the email address. You can add in a professional title or image, but don't change that email address because it's associated with your single sign-on. Now, going back to the agent dashboard, you can get into your learning portal down this left-hand side by clicking the cap. Same idea as the admin. It opens up the learning center, and it has your courses in front of you. Now, while you're looking at these, you'll see like the conversion centric, and of course we have the KD Core platform, marketplace, lead gen, and all courses. And you can access any of these that you want to. Now, the neat thing here is you can also look at my dashboard as you're completing courses to kind of keep track of what you have completed, what you need to complete. So when you look at mine, it says, I've completed the intro 100%, but hey, I've still got about 26% to go on my quick start for KD Core. So as you're looking at the courses of which you have completed, you can actually come back and be like, ooh, hey, I probably should get back to that for sale sold class. I need to make sure I'm keeping up to date on these techniques. Again, if you want to pop up into your profile, you can click on your name at the upper right, my account. You can upload your photo, change your photo out, but do not change that email address. It'll affect the single sign-on. And the last thing I want to point out is, if you ever need any assistance, it's really important to chat with support at the bottom right-hand side of your dashboard during our business hours. And as you'll see, we send out little videos reminding you of things we've released lately. Also, if you use this little arrow here at the top, whenever you're like looking at a video here, use this little arrow here within. And there is also this section here that says statuses, all systems operational. This is a key feature for you to keep in mind if you're like, hey, something seems like it's lagging or not quite right with the system. So you can actually click into this and see the system status of all of our products. So you can see if they're operational, if there was any downtime, and so forth. So you can actually look at all of this information at a viewpoint here. That will conclude the little intro to getting into the learning portal, by clicking the little cap here on the left-hand side, or the support portal by clicking the question mark. And I hope you all have a great day. Bye-bye.